Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create an Instagram album. So let's head over to our Instagram application for that. Once you are there, as you can see, I'm on my Instagram. So if I want to create an album, it means a carousel of pictures or in a post. So what you need to do is tap on the plus icon and here add pictures. Like select as many pictures as you want. You can add up to 20. Then tap on next. And once it is done, you can tap on any sort of audio track you want. Suppose I am using this one. Then once you have added it, tap on next. And as you can see, it is a video and tap on next. And here you can add any caption or tag people or add your location in here and tap on share. And as you can see, my post is currently being shared. And once it is done, let me show you in my profile by refreshing it. So as you can see, I have added this post and it has a carousel of pictures. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.